Are you panicky with the level of low AMH in your blood reports? AMH is the anti-Mullerian hormone that is released from your eggs. It is the indicator of the balance of your eggs at that particular time. It doesn't indicate your chances of pregnancy at all. So even if your AMH is 0.2, you still have a fair chance of pregnancy.
Habayo ke jeng keladur ke Wahumkhrah kumni, hakani ke por baterkong, baduna hakani ke wa, balayo ke jeng dap jeng jaklia ki babun jat kamtam ki plastik, hatu yanu on keno, kadau bahi kadai namar ubenriu nyokor ne buram ya kita ki kendon bat ki adong jeng ki bor ki bedekmi ban sumar bat Pynkhuid ya kani ke wa, wat lana ke por sakapor kaladon ke jeng kentu bat ke jeng yalak ru. Bandri sumara kani kawa kaba haka menar kadi kawa kaba paunam halor ke jinglang jingman jong kawa Wahumkhrah menta UPCN ulayo bantuat jengmut na keyboard jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board hakaba layo jingkran na member secretary UR Naina Malay IFS ubalay thu ba kabor jong ka MSPCB kadai tang bantes ke jinglang jingman jong ka bat habalalap ya ka jing penjaklia ha kani kerukam la pentep sekiwe ki Tnad ki ban le ka badan kam ban pensita mi ki ba penjaklia ban pentut bat kiwe de ki sinjam ha ka ba kiwe di ki Tnad ki bedan benta ki kenthop ya ka Tnad Urban Affairs ka Shillong Municipal Board ka KHADC bat kiwe
The role of Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board is to monitor only. So what we do is every month we used to inspect to the river Wahumkhrah, Serpi and all, and not only that rivers, further many other rivers also. Just we inspect and we take the water samples and we do testing in our laboratory and to identify the pollutants which is causing the pollution. So accordingly we will take up the matter to the authority concerned to curb all those pollutants which is causing pollution to the water. So that is our mandatory function that we play. That is routine that we do. Every month we used to go for inspection and to take the samples and do testing. That is our routine procedure. Then based on our finding, we will write letter to the Urban Affairs, Secretary Urban Affairs and Shillong Municipal Board, and even beyond the municipal board jurisdiction, we will write to the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council also. We give directions. Our role is to give directions based on our findings, and again that is water quality perspective. Beyond that, we regularly cause inspection in all consented industries all along the rivers, and that is considered one win, which is already Meghalaya Pollution Control Board has given consent to operate under Water and Air Act. So, and we check whether which is functioning as per the norms which has been prescribed in the consent to operate. So we will check that one, and whoever is violating, whichever unit is violating, we will issue closure notice, and suppose again if they don't we violate even closure notice also, we impose EC and we will file a cases also. And I think the facts and all, I think we have the record now, we can show also later. This is consented one. And non-consent matlab, there are some other illegal establishments also there that we will inspect. If we find that without consent from the board it is operating, we will take action. We will take action against them also. That is our mandatory function we do. And we'll take action matlab, we will means we give directions to the authority concerned to take action actually. We will write to the DC. We don't have enforcement power. We will write to the DC to close down all those things. That we used to give public public notice we are issuing then and there that they should not throw any garbage to the rivers and all, and like that we used to give public notice. Public notice and all that they have to take care of that. Shillong Municipal Board only getting huge fund for that purpose, and Shillong Municipal Board only will do all this cleaning part only, engaging some people and all. Again, actually our role, that's what we do only directions as per our findings and inspection and all. We do monitoring, and based on that, whatever we found, accordingly we'll give the authority concern to do cleaning part, all those things.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
You're late.
Don't just live life, maxify it.